Are you struggling to install a specific version of OpenCV in Python? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. You want to use OpenCV version 2.4.9, but the default command installs the latest version. It can be frustrating when you need a specific version for your project. Here's the question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a separate command for installing OpenCV version 2.4.9? They want to know how to specify which version to install. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So why is this happening? When you use the command pip install OpenCV Python, it defaults to the latest version. But you can specify a version if you know the right command. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to make managing Python packages even easier. To install a specific version of OpenCV, the user should start by using the pip command with the version number included. In this case, the user wants to install version 2.4.9. It's important to ensure that the user has the correct version of pip installed. They can check this by running a simple command in the terminal. If the user encounters any issues with dependencies, they may need to upgrade pip. This can be done easily with another command. After installing the specific version, the user can verify the installation by checking the installed version of OpenCV. This can be done with a quick Python script. Fun fact, OpenCV was originally developed by Intel in 1999. It's come a long way since then, and now it's a go-to library for computer vision. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests downloading the desired OpenCV version from an unofficial Windows binary site. If you're using Windows, you can find the specific version you need and then use pip to install it directly from the downloaded file. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a specific command to install OpenCV version 2.4.9. They recommend typing pip install OpenCV equals 2.4.9 in your terminal. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using a specific command to install OpenCV. They recommend running Python 3.6 mpip install OpenCV Python to install the CV2 module in the Python 3.6 environment on Linux. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the command python-mpip install OpenCV Python. This command will install the version of OpenCV that matches your current Python installation. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative approach for installing OpenCV is provided by another user. If you're on Windows, you can use pip with a specific version by typing pip install OpenCV Python, followed by the version number like this, pip install OpenCV Python equals 3.6. For Linux users, the command is slightly different. You can install OpenCV using apt-get with the command sudo apt-get install python OpenCV. Additionally, if you prefer using conda, you can install OpenCV with conda installnet conda.binster.org OpenCV 3.6. Here's that quick tip I promised. Consider using virtual environments for your Python projects. This way, you can manage different package versions without conflicts. And that's it. You should now be able to install OpenCV version 2.4.9 without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Python programming.